I've been growing eggplants for about 20 years. The most important conditions eggplants need when growing in an indoor environment like this is air circulations. If your eggplants can't dry within 40 minutes after watering, you will have to use a fan to fan them. The second important condition is sunlight. Most eggplants like the morning sun but can't survive the afternoon sun. So a setup like this is perfect for them. Water them once every 2-3 days using lightly fertilized water. And your eggplants will do very well. Let me show you some of my favorite eggplants. So, which one do you think is the most expensive,